Dream Squad, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy, Dan the Man with the plan. And today's plan, we're gonna go see a buddy of mine. Come check it out. Enjoy the ride. So I'm gonna tell you why I'm actually making this visit. Not only to introduce you to my friend Antonio, which is the owner of DACC, but also because of the fact that my dad's Jeep is ready. My dad had a little accident, car got on his way. He ended up hitting the cement retainage wall on the highway, got a little nicked up with the Jeep, and a buddy of mine is fixing it. I had an incident as well on one of my Dodge trucks, a 2012 Dodge Ram 1500, and what ended up happening, I was on the four-way stop, and the lady, I guess, was on her phone. She said that her brakes didn't work, which turned out to be false, but anyway, and she ended up hitting me on the right-hand side between the front door and the back door, which sucked. It left my Dodge Ram completely nasty, almost totaled, you could say. And well, in that process, I found this buddy of mine named Antonio Sanchez, which is the owner. So I called him up. I was like, hey, you know what, this is what's going on. He's like, dude, I can totally help you out. Come by the op and we'll talk and see what ends up happening. I was like, man, I was excited, because I was, after 2 months of being in another shop that didn't even get to touch it. Man lied, saying that he couldn't even, that he was working on it. But it turned out that he wasn't. He had kept it for 2 months. Called up to Antonio. Antonio was like, dude, I'll go pick it up right now. Within probably 2 to 3 weeks, he fixed it, painted it and everything. And this is the pictures that it turned out to look like after he was done. So basically what he's doing now is the same thing with the Jeep. The Jeep is getting this transformation because of the fact that it got crashed or whatever. What it's gonna end up happening is that he's gonna do the same thing with this one. Now, he did add little goodies, giving it a 4-inch lift, tires that he was hanging out in the shop, and he ended up hooking it up very bad. So that's the reason why we're actually going to the shop right now, to see my dad's Jeep. My dad has a black Jeep. It's decked out, LED lights, rack on the top. Now it has green ones, almost like that monster green color, and we're gonna go check it out, see how it ended up looking. I'm so excited. He is also a car enthusiast. He loves cars. He likes to customize his personal cars. Right now, he's also taking us along into introducing in one of these projects that he's been working on. So that's pretty exciting, and hopefully, I'm praying, finger crossed, that he has his Jeep with an engine swap there at the shop. You guys are gonna fall in love with this Jeep. Yeah, that's the reason why we're introducing him. Plus, he's gonna be the one to help me out with my project of the S10. We're gonna see if we can try to paint it, put that engine, transmission, differential, suspension, brakes, calipers, all these goodies, cams, headers, all these goodies that are gonna be coming. Probably a new aesthetics, meaning probably a new bumper in the front, a new back bumper, a roll pan bumper in the back, and maybe even a hood, stuff like that. We're aiming for that, and he totally was like okay with it. I told him what I had in mind. He's heard about a lot about the S10, so he's really excited, just like I am. So you all come by, check him out. We're almost there. He can introduce himself, and you guys can come along with me. Ooh, about to pull up on this place. What is it? We just pulled up to the place. Now y'all come with me. Obviously, we're gonna see some people working on this. Like I said, this is awesome. Alright guys, so we have finally made it to DACC. Y'all welcome to come by whenever you want to. Let's see what they got. Let's go meet Antonio. Hey man, how you doing?
Good, but man, about yourself?
Good, pretty good, pretty good. How you doing?
We're here.
This is my best friend at this time. His name is Antonio Sanchez at DACC. Y'all come by. What we're doing today?
Hey guys, just as Danny said, my name is Antonio Sanchez. I'm the director here at Dealership Autoplex Collision Center. Today what we'll be doing is we'll be taking a tour of the shop and also taking a look at his dad's Jeep that we have just from the floor up, got it to the point to where it looks showroom quality. So let's.
So like he's been saying, man, we've been doing this for a while. His Jeep has probably been here like
almost about a month and 10 days.
Which is super fast, if you ask me. Especially what ended up happening to it as me. It was bad. So, alright. Damn. That looks crazy cool, man.
Hey, we are definitely in the point to where this thing has completely been revived. So, show them what we got.
Oh, damn. Alright, guys. Look at this. Damn it, boy. So now the people out there, basically what did you do to the Jeep?
What we've done so far is we did the 38 by 15 inch tires, wheels, 20 inch wheels by 12 inch deep. We've got the rock crawler Nerf bars. We've got the roof rack, which is ready for excursions, whatever you want to throw up there. Even a spare tire can be mounted up there. Traveling case. We've got the 50 inch light bar. And we've got side flares, 4-inch suspension lift. This thing is pretty much ready to go anywhere you want to go.
How much does the towing hitch capacity have?
9,500 pounds.
9,500 pounds. Oh yeah. Y'all come by. My friend here has been working with us since when I got my first car crash. And this is what I'm talking about. Antonio helped me out. He totally took care of me. Did whatever he had to do. But like I said, he's gonna be also the one that's gonna be helping me out with the S10 that we are working on now. Basically what sits right on customizing a truck or car vehicle to make it look nice and not overwhelming and stuff like that, because you know there's people out there that you can't do that. But other than that, he also has some personal cars, right? Yep. Personal cars that we might be able to get to see. I don't know, do you have a Jeep out here?
The Jeep is not here. I do have my Hummer that we just started tearing down. If you want to come back this way.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about the Hummer, or what other kind of prized cars or possessions that you have in this shop that you've been working on and stuff like that.
We do quite a bit of everything. So we do everything from the OBS body style trucks. Right there, that's a 1993 Ford F-250 that we also built from the ground up. It's got an 8-inch super lift on it. Dana 60s front and rear. What can I tell you? We just customize as much as we can. The move bumpers are built from piece to piece to where we refinish everything to whatever color the customer wants.
Wow.
That one took us 3 months to do, so that was a little bit of a longer project, but
it is looking clean. Are you still selling this?
yes sir, that is still for sale.
Oh, buddy. If I were you, I would be calling right now. I'll leave a link on the description below on probably his website and where you can find him. I'll leave a number where you can contact him.
And then here next is going to be our next project, which is going to be the military. We are in the process of tearing it completely down so that we can rhino line the floorboard, the cowl panel inside, the inner structure of the Hummer. And this one is actually going to be, believe it or not, Lamborghini orange.
Lamborghini orange.
So
do you want to tell them about the color of the Jeep?
That Lamborghini orange is a 3-stage color that has a pearl color in it that will be beautiful in the sunlight. So you'll look at it and it'll be orange, and it'll have a almost like a pearl tint to it, but it will also be a really nice, almost kind of a fluorescent white in it. So it's going to be really,
oh,
really nice.
man. Do you want to tell them the color of the Jeep?
My Jeep is Lamborghini green. So,
oh, so that's a match. We still need
and these are the original paint codes from Lamborghini. So
oh man, we'll be coming here as much as possible to try to get a little bit of a glimpse of the process of building this Hummer. I mean, it's not easy, but he could try to get it done as fast as possible to your liking. If you have another customization, maybe something that you want to change, something you want to do, something you want to kind of put idea in there, I'm pretty sure if he had a model, it'd probably, if you dream it, we can actually build it or do it. So that's why we're experimenting with my Chevy S10. We're the limits to the top into seeing how much we can actually customize a Chevy S10 to his capacity. I'm gonna see if we can try to get there. I have an idea of customizing it to a point where I like it. He's giving us some tips of what we can add in there, what we can take off, what we can have and do and add. And that's basically something that we've both agreed upon. So join us in this journey. Please like and subscribe. A little montage of the vehicle so you can kind of get an idea of what we got out here. That's crazy. Oh man, we got all four corners, baby. Man, what's up? Well, there you have it, man. Like I said, this is my friend Antonio Sanchez from DACC here at Carrollton, Texas. If you all want to come by and stop by and get a quote for him, because he also does insurance claims and anything you want, we'll get into more detail on that with him. I'll link everything on the bottom for how you can get in contact with him. So all y'all come by and check this place out and give it a chance. You won't be disappointed, I promise.
Everybody, make sure whatever you want us to do, we will do it for you. Don't give up your dreams. I can make them come true. I'll leave you with that.
All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Thank you for your untamed, beautiful men and women out here. And y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you got.